Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today it is time to start our Halloween explorations. So I am going to be doing a few Halloween projects up to Halloween, and if any of it decently turns out, I am going to be donating it to the Scares That Care Foundation through the Artist Haven. Tish over at the Artist Haven is hosting that, and they're going to have an auction, and all the proceeds are going to go to that. Go check it out. I will put her link below. She is amazing. You'll need to check out her channel and subscribe and check out Artapalooza. She always has stuff going on over there. So for the colors for today are the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Orange, and there's dark green permanent. Then I have two Artezas. It is the Crimson Red and the Mars Black. And then I have this Simply Acrylic by Dollar Rowney, just medium yellow. They're already mixed up. And I also have my Amsterdam White Titanium. So, ready to go. So, let's get to it. So today I am going to be pouring over this Styrofoam pumpkin that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So hopefully it will turn out cool, and maybe the painting will turn out cool too, and we can either leave the painting as it is, or we can do an embellishment after it's dry at a later time. So we'll just see how it turns out. So I'm going to do a clean pour on this one, which means I'm just going to pour the colors on there individually. So dirty pour is when you pour them all in the same cup and then you pour it over. So we're doing a clean one today. So let's just get started. Just going to Let's just start pouring. So pouring over an item like this makes interesting patterns on the painting too. So it's fun to get two in one. So just keep pouring. Alright, so I am actually going to pick up this canvas just because, whoops, my house is never level. I'll get it straightened up for one project, and then on the next project it's messed up again. Alright, so take a little bit more. I'm going to do a little bit yellow on this side. A little bit green. A little orange. Okay. So we're going to have to tilt the pumpkin because it's pulling up here. But first I'm gonna see if I can cover some of these spots that didn't get covered. If you get them wet, then the paint's more likely to fill it in for you. It doesn't have to all be covered, but maybe most of it. especially since this is styrofoam, maybe we do want to hold it covered just to make it more solid. Okay. Let's pick up the pumpkin and tilt it. Just kind of rotating it. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside and I will show it to you in the end. Give you some close-ups and then we'll get dried results after that. Okay. Okay, so now we need to tilt this. It's easy to fill in that hole in the middle. Alright, sometimes I hold my hands on the corner like that so that it just cups it, doesn't let too much run over. It makes sure the corners and the side actually still has the pattern. It's really cool to do. Alright, let's get this corner. Rotating it. We're going to get this corner now. Alright, now we have one corner left. I am loving the pattern on that. That is so cool. Alright, I think that is done. I am loving this one. So much fun. Alright, don't know if we're going to leave it like this and just sell it like this or if we're going to embellish it, but it still has to dry anyway, so I will bring you in for close-ups and then we'll get the dried results. Alright, here's the close-up of the pumpkin. I'm just going to rotate it. I put it on a spinner so y'all can see all sides. So it's looking good right now, but it's still dripping off. So I still think it's fun. It just takes, you know, a little plain boring item and makes it way more interesting. So that's what Halloween decorations are for, to make things interesting. Alright, hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, here is the wet results of the painting. Get you some close-ups. There is the lower right hand corner up to the upper right hand corner, over to the upper left. Now we are going down to the lower left. Let's look at that center. How cool is that? Very fun. Alright guys, it's different, and I will be back with the dried results. Here are the dried results of this set for Halloween. Here is the pumpkin. I think it turned out really good. There are some spots where the orange shows through, but that does not bother me at all. I think the colors turned out really Halloween-y and really fun. So if you want a quick project, you can just throw some paint on these from the Dollar Tree and have a unique look instead of just the plain look. So here is the painting, which I think is really cool. I haven't decided if I'm going to embellish it or not. Probably will. It'll be a fun project for Halloween. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. So you guys can give me suggestions if you would like. I am completely open to what you guys think might look good on this. I love the movement from where the pumpkin was. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, there it is. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Happy Halloween. Happy haunting.